Hello my friends, welcome to another video. So right now I think this is the bad news right now of my motor. Someone stole the bolts. It was like the front tire of one of the bolts of the front tires. It got stolen, but the left side it isn't stolen, but the right side it was stolen. The stock bolts has been stolen, or somebody has broken into my house, I guess. Here it is, my friends. This is the missing bolt right now. This is the missing bolt, and in the other side there is a bolt. Maybe somebody broke into our house, or someone sabotaged my motor, I guess. So I'm gonna go to a motorcycle shop. I'm gonna do some little bit of modifications. If there's no black bolts, stock bolts, maybe I'll just modify this motor just a little bit. Alright my friends, I'm just gonna go to the motorcycle shop, do some little bit of warm-up, quick warm-up, then I'm gonna go to the shop. GTR po. Diyan sa labas. Nawala yung bolts. Ito. Nawala siya. So this is the bolts. I'm not sure this is like main bolts. So I'm gonna make a little bit of modification because my other stock bolts got stolen or it fell down. So. There you have it, guys. So I just made a little bit of modification. So to get us home in time before it. There you have it, my friends. Let's shout out to Kuya for installing this beautiful yellow bolt, or should I say like bolts, I guess. I don't know what are the types of bolts that they use to modify the motor. It's like I did a little bit of modifications. That's so crazy. Well, I'm sure like someone sabotaged my motor. Someone stole the bolts of my motor. So this is the thing, guys. This is the stock bolts. It was over here in the left. The right, someone stole it, or I went to a off-road area, I guess, I suppose. I went to an off-road area or the broken road area, and then it was like the suspension was like bouncing, and then the bolts were like falling apart. So thanks for watching, and thank you and goodbye.
Cause you won't look after my wounds. I suppose you will never regret it. I should throw myself out from the roof. Cause you fucking love it when I fade. Cause you won't look after my